What's going on, people? You already know what it is. It's the man with the plan, the man with the abs, GE Fitness. And in this video, we're going to be doing a low impact workout, no jumping whatsoever. So this workout is perfect for those who maybe have knee problems, you can't do any high impact workouts, and also for those who maybe are just starting off and you need something low impact for you to get going. This one's for you. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, let me know what you think of this video, and subscribe to be a part of the family. Let's get to work. Okay guys, I want you to bring your legs up nice and high, alternating one side left to right, bringing your hands down as you bring your legs up. Good, we're gonna have active rest, guys. So just moving around, bringing your knees up. Yep, active rest. All right, so we're doing low impact star jumps, literally side to side. Good, and active rest again. Just bringing the knees up, moving around. All right, so insanity knee kicks, one at a time. Bring them knees nice and high, driving your arms in with your knee. Next switch. And rest again. Bring them knees up, keep yourself moving, guys. Good, next we got the oblique side crunch. So what you're doing is just bringing your elbows down, alternating between one leg. And rest. Okay, that's round one, guys. We're gonna have a 25 seconds rest, but again, we're still gonna keep this active rest going, so moving. So keep it moving, going back to the alternating knee kicks. Good, and we're going again, one leg at a time. Again, with this one, what you want to do, really try and squeeze your abs as you bring your knees in. Engage. That's it. Good, and rest again. Back to our active rest, knees up, moving around with it. Good, we're getting back to the star jump side to side, low impact. Let's go, remember to breathe. And relax back to active rest. Moving them legs up and down. Going into the insanity kicks next. Good, just like this one, you're gonna engage your abs as you bring them legs and hands in. Squeeze. Good, switch, next side. Bring them knees in. Let's go, pump them in. And relax, back to the knees. Bringing them up, marching. Let's go, let's march, let's march. Oblique side crunch, guys. Let's get to it. Again, engage in those obliques as you come down. Squeeze, engage, contract those abs. Good, and that's round 2. Good job, guys. Let's get back to marching. Then we're gonna go back in for our last round. Marching away, let's go. Back again. We know the drill. Engage those abs, bring them knees nice and high, hands down, alternating with the knees, contract those abs. Good, and relax back again. Bring them knees up. Knees nice and high, marching. And back to the start. Jumps, side to side. Good, and rest back again. Bringing them knees up. March with it. March with it, let's go. Sanity kicks. Side kicks, bring them knees in. Engage those abs. Pump it in, let's go. And relax. We got that last one, guys, and we are there. Keep marching, you've done excellent so far. Let's finish off strong, 5 seconds. Side to side, engage those abs. Let's work, last one. Halfway there, guys, keep it going. Woo! So that's the workout completed, guys. A nice, easy, simple, low impact workout, no jumping whatsoever that you can do at home. As you can see, I'm sweating just from that small, low impact workout. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, Please drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this one. And if you want to be a part of the family, please do subscribe, as I'll be bringing a lot more fun videos to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.